lecture onwards only, like we'll have to go and check out for this part one by one. Okay. Let us do like some first of all the basic question about this part. Okay, and then we will proceed with the next as well. Okay. So can you please open this module and can you just please focus on the screen, everyone? X by 3 equal to 2 by 5. What is the value for x? Those who already know the answer, please don't tell the answer. Okay, I will ask one by one and then we can continue. And in the last, guys, 10 minutes, I will talk to all of you guys. Okay, that what exactly might be the possibility of my condition, about the medical condition and all the things of mine as of now.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
in the last 10 minutes, I will talk about that part as well. So, ठीक है. Okay, Aditi, yeah, yes, please tell me what is the answer for this one. Aditi, Shlok, Nishad.
Sir, I
Got
don't
it.
know about this.
Sir, got it. 1.2.
Guys, fraction में मत बताओ, है ना? Fraction, I don't want the answer in
Sir,
the
see
fraction.
now. Sir,
Okay.
see, like 5 into x is equals to 5x and 3 into 2 is 6. So 5x is equals to 6. Now, it should be x is equals to 5 by 6 upon 5. So it should like be 1.2, right?
Yes, the same
ठीक
answer.
है, but
Exactly,
like
sir.
in that scenarios now,
Yes.
what you have to do, I'll tell you. The question is nothing but what everyone जिसको आता है, which is okay. जिसको नहीं आता है, just please try to see this part. This is nothing but what, that is x by 3 is equals to 2 upon 5. Now x nothing but what, 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3, that is upon 6 upon 5.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो दिस इज
Sir,
बेसिकली 6 अपॉन 5. यस. अब इसमें कितने
Yeah.
लोगों को इशू है, यू जस्ट प्लीज टेल मी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुआ है वैसा क्रॉस में हुआ है,
sir,
ऐसा क्रॉस में हुआ है, सो दैट्स व्हाई. तो हाँ, यस प्लीज टेल मी.
sir, I can't see the share your screening like you're showing, sir.
तो
Sir, I can see.
Sir, I'll
डिस्कनेक्ट एंड
rejoin,
रिकनेक्ट
sir.
अगेन. हाँ, या यस. ठीक है.
No,
एंड
sir,
गाइस,
I
फर्स्ट ऑफ
can't.
ऑल टेल मी वन वन थिंग.
Exactly.
ओके. Look, see, see for this one thing. Okay, this is for what, x upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 5. ये जो 3 है ना, ओके, जस्ट आपको किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए? आपको x की वैल्यू चाहिए. तो यहाँ से ये जो 3 है ना, just simply transfer this 3 from this side to this side. Can you see this part? Simply transfer the 3 from this position to
Yes, sir, I did
that
it
spot.
exactly that way,
Okay.
but it should be 6
एंड
in
ये
6
जो
upon
5 है,
5.
इसको, वेट अ मिनट, लिसन टू मी, इसको 5 को यहाँ मूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी जब हमें मालूम है, ओके, कि व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज, so we'll only have to move this 3 from here to here. So you just have to do that only, nothing else, and then you don't have to do anything other than that, guys. You're getting the point what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah. So that is the one part, okay, that we are having as of now. Now, other than that, what are the other portions that we can see is, ठीक है. Everyone, are you? If you're not getting anything, na guys, then just please do let me know. Okay, Vivan, Nishad, Shlok, Ariman,
Yeah.
and
Yes, sir.
Siddharth. Shlok, you got it.
Getting it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got the first one, but the second and third one I'm not understanding.
हाँ, wait a minute, मैं one by one कर रहा हूँ. 2x upon 7 is equals to 4 upon 5. Okay, I'm erasing this part. Okay, now see. What we need to do in the seventh one. So seventh one is going upside and
Yeah.
2 is going downside. So
Yeah.
that is nothing but what do we have?
4
That
upon
is 2
5
by
into
5,
7 upon 2.
4 into 5 upon 7 upon 2. What it is?
Sir, first we'll do the
2 ones are
LCM.
2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 14 upon 5.
Sir,
14
can't
upon
we
5 is
just
the.
take the LCM and do the all method?
Yeah, you can do that part as well, but ultimately अगर जहाँ पर भी आपको चांस मिले कि कैंसिल हो रहा है वहाँ पे कैंसिल कर दो, बिकॉज अननेसेसरली बड़े बड़े नंबर्स को कैलकुलेट करोगे उससे टाइम वेस्ट होगा. So if you
Yeah.
get the chance to cancel that part, so just please cancel that.
Okay,
ठीक
sir.
है?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, the answer
All
will be
right, yes.
2.8.
The answer will be what?
2.8 or 14 upon 5.
14 upon 5. Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Or
14
sir,
So the
the
upon
answer
answer
मतलब
will
जो
be
भी
14
आंसर
upon
आएगा.
5, sir.
Yeah, yes. Okay. So ये जो portion है ना guys, this is basically for which one? This is basically for cross multiplication. Okay. How to do the cross multiplication? Now see for the next one as well. Cross multiplication का जो basic agenda है, like if we are going x plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 3 up 4. So this is 4 multiplied by x plus 1 equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Okay. So how to find out the value for x from this particular expression? Like from this expression, write like this. Now here, this is 4x plus 4 and this is 6. Okay.
yeah.
You already got this point, all of you.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes, sir.
it should be, sir, 4x is equals to 6 minus 4. So
Yes, sir.
4x
Mhm.
is
And
equals
those
to
who are
2.
not getting, just please raise the hand. Those who are not getting now, they just please raise the hand. Because I know many of you are basically new to this section, so some might don't know this procedure as well. So that's why. Yes. What you are not getting, Aditi.
Sir, I'm not understanding how to do the third one.
Yes, sir. Even me, sir.
Sir,
अच्छा,
I just don't get.
इसमें बेसिकली ये जो
Sir,
टर्म्स है, वन 4 multiplied by x plus 1. You're getting this part?
Mm.
Like how to multiply this to this and this to this. You're getting it?
Yes, sir.
This is 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So that will be 4x plus 4 over here and 4x plus 4. That is what do we have? This is just the multiplication of what? Multiplication of monomial to what? Binomial. You getting it what I'm saying?
Binomial.
Multiplication of monomial to what?
Binomial.
Binomial.
monomial to binomial.
Yeah. Yeah, yes. This much everyone
One
is
has to
getting.
buy
Shlok, Aditi,
yeah.
Vivan,
Yes.
Yes,
Vedant.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
sir. And because they're unlike values, they won't add up.
Yeah, yes. Vedant, you raise the hand. Yes, please tell me.
Yes, sir. I got it now, sir.
Okay, you got it now. Take it fine. Yeah, okay. Now accordingly, बस इसके बाद में इसका जो आगे का solution है, then we will do that part. So what it is? 4x plus 4 equal to 6. Now it is a simple equation. Now 4 will get transferred to this side. So it will become what? Plus 4 will become minus 4. And this will be 4x is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 upon 4 and x is equals to 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 will be the portion over here. Okay.
Means, sir, x is equals to 0.5, right?
Yes. ओके. सो गाइस ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है ना, धीरे धीरे सबसे पहले आप करो एंड देन स्टार्ट स्टार्ट विद दिस पोर्शन.
Sir, I
सेवेंथ
did.
क्वेश्चन. 4x plus 1 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 9.
Sir, do you have to solve it?
Yeah, yes, you have to solve it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Guru, you are done with it?
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir, I
sir.
have
I'm
a
still
doubt
going,
in the
sir.
eighth question.
Sir, I have a doubt in the
Eight.
seventh question only.
Doubt means what doubt?
Sir, I didn't get the seventh question, sir.
So in the eighth
Mm,
question, like, I should ask later or now?
uh, just 2 minutes, Guru Praha.
Sir, I got the
Okay,
answer.
sir.
Clear your doubt as well.
Sir, I'm not getting it.
Sir, I got
Okay,
it.
Aditi, multiplication of terms you already did.
Sir, I did it like this. Wait one
No,
second.
no, how
Sir, I didn't
you
get the third one,
completed? I
sir.
think Aditi, like I think this is now module number 6. Okay, so once you do like 3, 4, 5 now, then I think in that way you will be able to understand this one because I think as of now we did only
Sir, I
second
didn't
or third one.
understand this question 7 too.
So that's why. Okay, Aditi. In the
Okay.
sequential order only now you will be able to get that part. But yeah, still some of the part ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आएगा. कुछ चीजें ऐसी हो सकती है अदिति जो आप समझ सकते हो इसमें. बट स्टिल कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हो सकता है आप जब सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में सब कवर करोगे ना तब आपको आएगा समझ में अदिति है ना.
Okay,
एंड
sir.
यस निशाद व्हाट यू आर सेइंग.
Sir, I didn't understand the seventh one.
Same, sir.
Seventh one, okay. And Gurupra, you got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Ariman, you also got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please put down your hand, Gurupra and Ariman, and
Sir,
Shlok
I
got the
also
same.
got the answer.
Okay, Shlok got the answer. Very good. Okay, so now I'll tell you this. One part. 4x plus 1 upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 9. So सबसे पहले, see guys, what you need to do now, you just need to go and check for this part. Okay. For example, we are doing this section. Okay. Okay. So this is nothing but what do we have now? That is 9, and 9 is multiplied by 4x plus 1 and 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, क्या करेंगे multiply Aditi will tell me.
Sir, two into 3 is 6.
Yes, sir. 2 into 3 is 6. 9 4 is
9 into 4,
36.
36, sir.
And Aditi,
36 plus 1. Oh, sorry, sir.
Aditi will tell me. Yes, Aditi.
9.
Mm-hmm.
9 into 5.
5 no, it is 4x.
9 into 4.
Okay, what it is?
9 into 4 is wait, 36.
So it will be 36x and then 9 into 1.
1.
So that is what? 9. Then 36x is equals to 6 minus 9. Isn't it? Everyone. Because this 9 is over here and you need to transfer this thing from LHS to RHS side. So it will become what? Minus 9. Then x is nothing but what? That is 3. But minus 3. And that will be 36.
Same answer, sir.
So it will be minus 1. 1 by
Yes, sir.
2.
Same answer.
Okay. You need to cancel this. Guys,
Yes,
cancellation.
same answer, sir.
ओके वो टेबल्स बहुत ज़्यादा बाय हार्ट होने चाहिए रिपीटेटिवली
Yes, sir.
जितने भी लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि
Excuse me, sir.
दिस पार्ट प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करो गाइस ये सारी
Yes,
चीज़ें
sir.
ये बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें हैं या प्लीज टेल मी.
Sir, I can't hear your voice, sir. Like it's cracking in middle, sir. And it's like a little bit low, sir.
Same, sir. Sure.
Is it same? Okay.
Starting it goes
How many?
middle it cracks.
अच्छा in the middle it crack.
Sir, sometimes it's good and then it cracks a little bit.
Sir, not for me.
Same here, not for me, sir.
Same here, not for me.
Not for
Okay,
me.
so wait. Mhm. Okay, just wait a minute. Um, चलो okay. Wait. ठीक है, fine. Other than that, like now, what are the other portions also? We'll go and we'll
Sir,
check for the other things
sir,
also.
you are going to say in the last 10 minutes you are going to talk about your health.
हाँ हाँ यार, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, अच्छा, go for the 10th one also.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Drink, sir.
go for the 10th one. Okay, I want this time. I want the
Done.
answer from Shlok. Those who already
Done,
did
sir.
it. Okay.
So, do you want the
Where
answer from me?
Yes, I want the answer from Shlok,
Okay.
then Vedant and Aditi.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay. So Aryaman Guru Plus, please put
Not
down your
done, sir.
hands.
Almost done, sir.
Okay. Aditi, Shlok, and Vedant, and Nishad and Vivan. Vivan, you where are you, Vivan?
Sir, I'm here.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Almost done, sir.
Sir, I am done.
Same, sir. Almost done.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, Aditi, please tell me.
Sir, can I tell?
Ah, Shlok, yeah, please tell me.
Sir, 18 upon 9.
18 upon 9. Okay.
Sir, wrong. He
And
did. He did. He like left one step.
Didn't cancel, sir.
Yes, sir.
He didn't cancel. I get the
Yes, sir.
answer as 2, sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
answer, sir. Two.
9
mm-hmm.
as 9 into 2 is 18.
Sir, is it 18 by 18 by 9?
Yes, sir. Even I got 18 by 9.
Okay. Shlok is getting some different answer, and
What,
others are
sir?
also getting some different answers.
What, sir?
Shlok, you are getting some different answers.
No, sir. I got 18 upon 9 only.
But they should go for us.
Yes, sir. I just forgot to simplify
And,
it.
Yes, sir. Only
Two.
me, Nishad, Vivan, and Gurupra simplified it, sir. Or else, I think everyone
and
has.
what about? Okay, wait a minute now. Aditi, what about you?
I got 18 upon 9. 18 by 9.
Okay, 18 upon
Sir,
9.
again she
Even
didn't
I got
Nishad,
18 upon 9, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nishad,
Again,
what
Vedant
about
and
you?
Aditi didn't cancel, sir. The answer is
ठीक है,
2.
कोई बात
And
Okay, कोई
Vedant
बात
is.
नहीं. Okay. So guys, please see. Okay.
Yes, sir. I didn't cancel,
Okay.
sir.
Please check this part. So that is nothing but what? So that is nothing but what? 3x plus 4 upon 6 is equals to 5 upon 3. So that will be 9x plus 12 is equals to 5 6 are 30. That will be 9x. That will be 30, 20 and 18. So that will be 18 upon 9, and that will be 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. So x will be 2. Final answer is what? The final answer
2.
is 2 over here.
2.
Okay. So these are like what, guys, these are the portions. अच्छा now ठीक है, so guys please practice this. ठीक है, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का एक छोटा सा पार्ट है. ओके, इसके बाद
Yes,
में जो
sir.
कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी लेवल है वो धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज होगा.
Okay.
10 तक के क्वेश्चन अलग है. यू कैन सी 20 से 30 के क्वेश्चंस का लेवल अलग है. देन you can see again 31 to 40 again there is difference, and then 41 to 50 there are again some difference over here. Okay, so these are like some of the portion and some sections that you need to go and check for this part, all of you. So ठीक है guys, इसको practice करो. Okay, one by one we'll go and we'll check for this part. Okay, we'll see that what we have to do over here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so yeah, yes. Okay, now I'm telling you this
Okay,
thing,
sir.
guys. Now, wait a minute, guys.